you ask me about 911, I guarantee you I was there. And it is effective. I saw it, I tested it, I simulated it personally in the Philippine National Headquarters with General Torre. I saw how it works when I randomly suggested places in the country. It was done properly according to the target. And it was done also in Manila when we simulated a distress call from a house. And the police, and it was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Mr. Kayabyab, Police Officer Kayabyab, who went to the distress call or the particular space or place at 4 minutes and 37 seconds. That is my experience with regard to your question, 911. So ako, I can only attest on what I have experienced and what the 911 can bring to each and every one of us in case of emergency. So it's running based on my experience. Now, if it is what, ito namang kaso na ito, mabuti lamang with the technology available, mas madaling nare-resolba at mas madaling nahanap ang mga suspect.